This is WFAE News. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. I'm Eli Portillo, Executive Editor at WFAE. Throughout the primary elections, WFAE has kept the Charlotte region informed and engaged. As we look ahead to the midterm general elections, that commitment continues. Here at WFAE, we host candidate forums, we break down the issues on the ballot, we tell you even granular things like how to vote, how to find your polling station, what kind of ID you need to bring. We cover the issues shaping your life and bring you the information that you need to really understand it. We've been doing this for 45 years here at WFAE. We are really excited to continue doing that for another 45 years and beyond. Help us today to keep information and local news strong here in Charlotte with a contribution to our spring fund drive. And thank you.